Hey Sunny fam, it's Mandy, and today we're swan diving into Sunny Health and Fitness's Pilates Ring. Incorporating a Pilates ring, also known as a magic circle, adds an extra layer of resistance and precision to your workout. Whether you are new to fitness or you're looking to advance your Pilates practice, I'm here to show you how this ring by Sunny Health and Fitness can bring a little magic to your life. We can't talk solely about the ring and not briefly discuss the benefits of Pilates. Pilates is more than just exercise. It's a mindful movement system designed to strengthen, lengthen, and balance the body. By focusing on controlled motions and deep core engagement, Pilates helps improve posture, flexibility, and muscular endurance while reducing stress and tension. It's a workout that not only tones your physique, but also enhances body awareness, making everyday movement feel easier and more fluid. Designed for versatility, stability, and comfort, this 15-inch ring adds resistance to your favorite Pilates exercises, helping you strengthen, tone, and improve your workouts. With full body activation, you'll engage your upper body, lower body, and core through a range of push, pull, and press movements. Crafted with durable fiberglass, the ring offers moderate resistance with a quick rebound for long-lasting performance. The soft, non-slip handles feature a rubber sleeve and firm core for a secure, comfortable grip during every session. The Pilates ring, often called the magic circle, is a lightweight resistance tool that amplifies the benefits of traditional Pilates. Its gentle, yet firm resistance challenges muscles in unique ways, helping you sculpt lean lines and target areas that are often hard to reach. Place the ring between your thighs during bridges or leg lifts to activate inner thighs and deep abdominal muscles. It can help tone your arms. Squeeze the ring between your palms during chest presses or overhead lifts to engage biceps, triceps, and shoulders. It can help sculpt the legs. Position the ring around your ankles or calves during side-lying leg lifts to intensify glute and outer thigh work. Use it to support your posture. Using the ring during seated exercises encourages proper alignment and helps retrain the body to sit and stand tall. What's more, you can enjoy free access to the Sunny Fit app, featuring trainer-led yoga and Pilates classes, over 10,000 virtual scenic tours, workout tracking, and more. With consistent practice, the Pilates ring enhances muscle definition, improves symmetry, and adds variety to your routine. It's small, portable, and versatile, making it a perfect companion for anyone looking to refine their physique and deepen their Pilates journey. Lightweight and portable, this Pilates ring is easy to store and perfect for workouts at home. So if you're looking for a flexible, multi-purpose addition to your Pilates routine, then Sunny Health and Fitness's Pilates ring is perfect for you.